Chapter 8. Which industry should you choose for your recruitment business? Probably the easiest industry that you could choose to work in will be one that you have had previous experience. However, it could be another industry that you have a strong interest in and have researched thoroughly. Be careful not to plumb for an industry that is either in decline or have a few vacancies for you to target. I would recommend that you check through job boards to see which professions are in high demand. Obviously, the positions that have the most job openings would probably be a good field to get started with. Once you've identified an industry to target, I would recommend that you try and drill down to a niche market within your chosen industry. Promoting the fact that you are a specialist recruiter shows your clients that you are well connected in your field and not only have an enviable database of skilled candidates, but more importantly, know exactly where and how to source suitable candidates for their business. When a client is talking to you, they want to know that you have a level of understanding of their industry, which will enable you to provide the candidates with the right skills for their business. The added benefit is that you'll be trying to fill vacancies for a variety of positions with the same candidate who were not hired for another vacancy. In fact, operating this way allows you to send the same candidate to several clients, which in turn greatly increases your success ratio of candidates interviewed to placements. Be sure to choose a speciality that is growing or at least stable and recession-proof.